This video is for our DSE 6100 project. For this project, we need to create a web application for Jokes database. For this web application, only registered users can post, read, or give comments on jokes. Each joke has ID, title, description. Users have their information about names, emails, gender, and age. Users can make friends with other users. In this video, we only show part 1. For part 1, we use Eclipse and Tomcat to implement the functionality of initialized database, register and login. First of all, we should go to MySQL Workbench to check the database. We have a connection named John. We use this connection. Password pass234. Okay. And you can see in the database SimpleDB, we have already some tables. So first of all, we should drop all the tables. Drop all the tables. Now we show table. It should be empty now. So you can the database SimpleDB is empty now. So we go to our interface to initialize the database. Initialize. Now we go back to the MySQL to check show tables. You can see we have several tables like users, user joke, user friend tags. Joke has tags, joke, comments, comment to joke. With each table, we have some information. So let's check every table. For users, we have 10 or more than 10 users in the table with all the information: name, ID, password, email, gender, and age. Select all from joke. And see we have joke ID and the title, description, and the post date. And we select tags. With tag, we have ID, description, comments. We have subject, description, and date with 11 comments. And joke has tags. Here we have tag ID and joke ID to match them one by one. And we have user friends, follow ID, follower ID, like who make friends with who, and user joke, user ID, joke ID. For those tables, we need those tables, those information later for our part 2 or part 3 project. Now after initializing, we can register new users. Let's check register functionality. We add name, user, password, email, user, last name, gender, age, register. After registration, you can log in. Lily, password, password. Now after registration and login, you can post a new joke, search a joke with the tags, make friends with other users. Now I'm still working on those functionalities, so we just go back to the main page, log out, and register another user, like Vicky, password, email, pro.com, first name, Vicky, last name, change only, it should be full name. Okay, and login. Now you see just the login. After we add 2 new users in the users table, now we can check the database to see if those users are in the table. So we select from users. We add Lily Zhu and Vicky Zhu. You can see those 2 users in the table now. So the registration is good. The registration is good. Initialize is good. Now let's check login. First we use registered user with a wrong password to see what will happen. Now it shows you your password is not right, so you just correct this password. Now you can log in. So the login is good. Let me check if we log in use unregistered username like blah 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 blah. Yeah, it shows you have to register first, because for this web application only registered user can log in. So now after we add 2 new users in the database, let me check if we go back to initialize the database. If we click initialize the database, the new 2 users should be gone. Let's check it. Okay, let's go back to our database and select the user table, and you can see Lily and Vicky are not in the table now after we initialize the database again. So now the functionality with login, registration, and initialize the database are good.